So if I, so that's the voltage coming out of it. You see it takes a while for it to go back down. So if I clap loud, then it gradually fades down. It goes up again. There you go.
If I just talk really loud all the time, just rattle on and on and on and on and on and on, boring absolutely nothing.
And then it takes about 1.5 seconds to recover. And that gives that time for you to see what you do.
Yeah, because when
if they work out where the mic is, they're going to be sort of trying to look down where that is and following into it, not looking at what they're doing. And if it's too quick, it just doesn't react. Because it just goes, the whole thing just flashes like a strobe. It's really horrible. It's like a strobe light.